Friends, today I will explain important problem. Two friends started from same point with the same constant acceleration of 5 meter per second square. Second one starts journey 5 seconds later. Find the time taken by first one such that he is 100 meters ahead of second one. Two friends started from same point. Friend 1, friend 2. Friend 1, friend 2. Started from rest. Initial velocity 0. First friend initial velocity 0. Second friend initial velocity also 0. Moving with constant acceleration. Acceleration A equal to 5 meter per second square. Friend 2 having same acceleration. Friend 1 and friend 2 having same acceleration. Second one starts journey 5 seconds later. First condition t equal to t seconds. Second one time t equal to t minus 5 seconds. T minus 5 seconds. First one s equal to s. Second one s equal to s minus 100. First condition s equal to s. U equal to 0. Friend 1. F1 means friend 1. S equal to s. Initial velocity U equal to 0. Acceleration A equal to 5 meter per second square. Time t equal to t seconds. Here we are using this formula. S equal to ut plus half at square. Ut plus half at square. S equal to s. U initial velocity 0 into time plus 1 by 2. A acceleration value 5. 5 into t square. S equal to 0 into anything is 0 plus half into 5. 5 by 2 t square. This is equation 1. Next friend 2. Next friend 2. S equal to s minus 100. S equal to s minus 100. Next second condition. Initial velocity u equal to 0. Acceleration same acceleration 5 meter per second square. Time t equal to t minus 5 seconds. 5 seconds later means t equal to t minus 5 seconds. Using same formula, s equal to ut plus half at square. S equal to ut plus half at square. S equal to s minus 100. Initial velocity u equal to 0. Time t equal to t minus 5 plus 1 by 2. Acceleration A equal to 5. Here t equal to t minus 5 whole square. Here t equal to t minus 5 whole square. S minus 100 equal to 0 into anything is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Half into 5. 5 by 2. 5 by 2. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. T minus 5 whole square. T square. A square means t square. B square means plus 5 square. Plus 5 square minus 2ab. 2 into 5 into t. 2 into 5 into t. S minus 100 equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into t square. 5 by 2 t square. 5 by 2 into 5 square means 25. 5 square means 25. 25 into 5 plus 125 by 2. Plus 125 by 2. 2 into 5 10. 2 into 5 10. 10 into t 10 t. 10 t into 5 50 t. 50 t by 2. Plus into minus minus. Minus 50 t by 2. This is equation 2. This is equation 2. 1 minus 2 we get. 1 minus 2 we get t value. S minus S. S minus S. ఈ మైనస్ S ఏమవుతుంది? మైనస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ప్లస్. మైనస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ప్లస్. 1 minus 2. 5/2 t square minus 5/2 t square. 5/2 t square. ఇది సబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. మైనస్ 5/2 t square. నెక్స్ట్ minus 125/2. minus 125/2. నెక్స్ట్ మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్. ప్లస్ 50t/2. ప్లస్ 50t/2. దీనిలో కామన్ గా s క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. ప్లస్ 5/2 t square మైనస్ 5/2 t square క్యాన్సిల్. రిమైనింగ్ 100 ఈక్వల్ టు minus 125/100 equal to minus 125/2 plus 50t/2 plus 50t/2. ఈ మైనస్ వాల్యూ సైడ్ వస్తే ప్లస్ 100 plus 125/2. 100 plus 125/2 equal to 50t/2 equal to 50t/2. 2 LCM 100 into 2 200 plus 125/2 equal to 50t/2 equal to 50t/2. 2 to cancel. 200 plus 125 325. 325 equal to 50t. T equal to 325/50. T equal to 325/50. 25 table 2 times. 25 table 13 times. T equal to 13/2. 6.5 seconds. 6.5 seconds. Once I will explain you. Listen. Two friends started from same point. This is same point. Friend 1, friend 2. Started from means initial velocity u equal to 0. First condition initial velocity 0. Second condition also initial velocity 0. Moving with constant acceleration. A equal to 5 meter per second square. A equal to 5 meter per second square. First friend time t equal to t seconds. Second friend time t equal to t minus 5. Starts journey 5 seconds later. 5 seconds later means t minus 5 seconds. Next s equal to first condition s equal to s. Second condition s equal to s minus 100. 100 meters ahead. This is friend 1 condition. This is friend 2 condition. First friend 1 s equal to s. Initial velocity u equal to 0. Acceleration a equal to 5 meter per second square. Time t equal to t seconds. We are using this formula s equal to ut plus half at square. S equal to here initial velocity 0. 0 into time t. 0 into anything is 0. Plus 1/2 a into t square. Here acceleration a equal to 5. Substitute acceleration value. Half into 5 t square. S equal to 5/2 t square. The second condition friend 2. S equal to s minus 100. Starting from rest initial velocity 0. Acceleration a equal to 5 meter per second square. Time t equal to t minus 5 seconds. S equal to ut is we are using same formula. S equal to ut plus half at square. Here s equal to s minus 100. Next u equal to 0. T equal to t minus 5. 0 into t minus 5 plus 1/2. Acceleration value 5. 1/2 into 5. Here t equal to t minus 5 whole square. 5/2 into t minus 5 whole square. T minus 5 whole square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. S minus 100 equal to 0 into anything is 0. Half into 5, 5 by 2 into t minus 5 whole square, t square, a square means t square, b square means 5 square, minus 2ab, 2 into 5 into t, 2 into 5 into 2 into 5 into t. S minus 100 equal to, this term 0 into anything is 0. 5 by 2 into t square, 5 by 2 t square, 5 square means 25, 25 into 5, 125 by 2. Next, minus 2 into 5 into t, 10t, minus 10t into 5 by 2, minus 50t by 2, minus 50t by 2. This is equation 2, this is equation 1. Subtract 1 minus 2, we get time t value. S minus s, this is s. The equation 0 substitute s minus s. Plus s or minus s cancel. Minus 100, minus of minus plus 100. Equation 1, 5 by 2 t square minus 5 by 2 t square. Plus 5 by 2 t square minus 5 by 2 t square cancel. Plus into minus, minus 125 by 2. Next, minus of minus plus 50t by 2. 50t by 2. Remainder 100 equal to minus 125 by 2 plus 50t. ఈ minus 125 by 2 side was the plus 125 by 2. 100 plus 125 by 2 equal to 50t by 2. Here 2 is LCM, 100 into 2. 200 plus 125 by 2 equal to 50t by 2. 2 to cancel. 200 plus 125. 325 equal to 50t. T equal to 325 by 50. 13 by 2. 25 table 13 times 25 table 2 times. 13 by 2, 6.5 seconds. All of you understand? Next problem. Two cars started off the race with acceleration 3 meter per second square and 8 meter per second square. Find the time after which the separation between them is 36 km. Separation between them is 36 km. Two cars started off. First condition. Solution. Given data. This is car 1. This is car 2. Car 1, car 2. Initial velocity u equal to 0. Initial velocity u equal to 0. Car 1 acceleration a1 equal to 3 meter per second square. Car 2 acceleration a2 equal to 8 meter per second square. Find the time after the separation between them. T1 equal to t, T2 equal to t. What is the separation? S2 minus S1 equal to 36 km. Here separation S2 minus S1 equal to 36 km. First car 1. Initial velocity u equal to 0. Acceleration a equal to a1 equal to 3 meter per second square. Time t1 equal to t. Here we are using this formula. S equal to ut plus half ad square. S equal to ut plus half ad square. S1 equal to ut. 0 into t1 equal to t plus half. A1 equal to a. T1 equal to t square. S1 equal to half. 0 into anything is 0. Half into 3. 3 by 2 t square. S1 equal to 3 by 2 t square. Next second condition. Car 2. Second condition car 2. Initial velocity u equal to 0. Acceleration a2 equal to 8 meter per second square. Time t2 equal to t. Time t2 equal to t. We are using same formula. S equal to ut plus half ad square. S equal to ut plus half ad square. This is S2. S2 equal to ut plus u equal to starting from rest means initial velocity 0 into time t. Next acceleration a2 equal to 8. S2 equal to 0 plus half 8 t square. S2 equal to 8 by 2 t square. Here we having one condition. S2 minus S1 equal to 36 km. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. 36 km means 36 into 1000 meters. Using this condition, S2 minus S1. Here S2 equal to 8 by 2 t square. S2 equal to 8 by 2 t square. S1 equal to 3 by 2 t square. S1 equal to 3 by 2 t square. S2 equal to 8 by 2 t square. Equal to 36,000 meters. Equal to 36,000 meters. Okay, to is LCM. 8 t square minus 3 t square. 8 t square minus 3 t square by 2 equal to 36,000. Equal to 36,000. ఈ డివిజన్ లో ఉన్న 2 చేస్తే మల్టిప్లికేషన్. 8 t square minus 3 t square 5 t square. 5 t square equal to ఈ డివిజన్ లో ఉన్న 2 చేస్తే మల్టిప్లికేషన్. 36,000 into 2. 36,000 into 2. 5 t square equal to 72,000. 5 t square equal to 72,000. T square equal to 72,000 by 5. 72,000 by 5. దీనిలో 5 టైమ్స్ how many times cancel? 70 లో 14 times, 20 లో 4 times. Okay. 144. T square equal to 1440. 720 లో 5 టైమ్స్ 144 times cancel అవుతుంది. 14400. T square equal to 14400. T equal to root over 14400. 14400. 144 into root 12. 100 into root 10. 12 into 10. 120. దీన్ని ఈజీగా సింప్లిఫై చేయడానికి 144 into 100 గా రాసుకునే ఉంటుంది. 144 root 12. 100 root 12. 10. 100 root 10. 12 into 10. Total time T equal to 120 seconds. మీకు ఇలా పెద్ద వాల్యూస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మీకు దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయడం కష్టంగా ఉన్నప్పుడు సింపుల్గా దీన్ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? రూట్ 144 into రూట్ 100. రూట్ 144 రూట్ 12 రూట్ 100 రూట్ 10. 12 into 10 120 seconds. Okay, one solve of the lesson. 2 cars started off the race with an acceleration 3 meter per second square. First car acceleration a1 equal to 3 meter per second square. Second car acceleration a2 equal to 8 meter per second square. Find the time after which the separation between them is 36 kilometers. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ లో మనకి టైం వాల్యూస్ కానీ ఏమి ఇవ్వలేదని డైరెక్ట్ గా ఒకే ఒక కండిషన్ ఇచ్చారు. సెపరేషన్ S2 minus S1 equal to 36 km. 36 km. Car 1 initial velocity 0. A1 equal to 3 meter per second square. T1 equal to T. We are using this formula. S equal to UT plus half AT square. S1 equal to 0 into T. Initial velocity 0. 0 into time plus 1 by 2. A1 equal to 3. 3T square. S1 equal to 3 by 2 T square. This is equation 1. Next part. Initial velocity U equal to 0. A2 equal to acceleration A2 equal to 8 meter per second square. T2 equal to T. S equal to UT plus half AT square. S2 equal to 0 into T. 0 into anything is 0. Half into 8. 8 by 2 T square. S2 minus S1 equal to here we have one condition. Separation S2 minus S1 equal to 36 km. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. 36 into 1000. 36,000 meter. Using this condition, what is S2 value? 8 by 2 T square. S1 value 3 by 2 T square. 8 by 2 T square minus 3 by 2 T square equal to 36,000. Here LCM is 2. 8 T square minus 3 T square by 2 equal to 36,000. ఈ డివిజన్ లో మనం ఈ సైడ్ కి వస్తే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ 8d square minus 3d square 5d square 5d square equal to 36,000 into 2. 5d square equal to 72,000. t square equal to 72,000 by 5. 5 టేబుల్ దీంట్లో 144 టైమ్స్ కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. 144 t square equal to 144 100 స్క్వేర్ ఆ సైడ్ కి రూట్ అవుతుంది. రూట్ 144 100 రూట్ 14400 root t equal to 120 seconds. Students, today class completed. Tomorrow I will explain another problems. Okay, thank you.